This is how I got over 6,000 points trading gold. This is how I got over 6,000 points trading gold. Let me show you. The market sold down all the way, which I profited from. And then selling down, what do I see? I see that the market gives me a structure coming down on 1 hour. Ultimately, the market is what? Bullish. Because it's bullish on weekly, bullish on daily, bullish on, now it's bearish on 4 hour. But it's now bearish also on what? H1. The market on H1 gives me structure going down. So I boxed the structure, giving me a resistance here, giving me a resistance here. So what did I do? I now dropped down to my major time frame, which is 30 minutes. I dropped down to 30 minutes, and what did I get? On 30 minutes, you see I got a structure within a structure. So the market came and gave me a structure going down like this. And what did I do? I now used my horizontal line to identify this resistance level. I waited for the market to give me a breakout. The market gave me a breakout, and I put my Fibonacci from 100 to the bottom, and I got my take profit at 161.8, which I used the second horizontal line to indicate the area of resistance. Between this take profit and this breakout point here, by this candle's resistance breakout point, how many areas of resistance do we have? We have this area of resistance, we have this area of resistance, and this area. So we have 2 areas of resistance. So what did I do? I decided to use my pointer, my horizontal line. I placed it here, and I placed here. I had these 2 horizontal lines at this point, so that when the market gets there, the market will now what? Identify those levels, so that I would mark the breakout by pulling my Fibonacci's from those breakouts of these areas of resistance, so I can have my other options of take profit. Okay, so now the market, but what did I do? Invariably what I do is, for me to determine my take profit, my entry point, now that the market has broken there, one thing gold is very good at is reverse, is repeating. I put my Fibonacci within the box to this bottom, 100 to bottom, and I marked my entry points at this point here, which is almost in alignment with what the retracement levels of the other Fibonacci I put from the breakout candle. These are the areas I marked. So these 2 are my entry points. So we kept moving, and what happened? The market came all the way. The market came all the way, reversed, came and activated my point here. But what did I say? Normally, when the market reverses, when the market gives me a breakout, I don't really rush and go into the market. What I want, once I get the breakout, I drop to my 5 minutes time frame, and I wait for the market to do what? This is our reversal. This is our breakout candle. This is our breakout candle. So we'll drop to 5 minutes. We'll drop to 5 minutes and follow up and ensure that the market gives us a structure going down, so we can break that down structure going up. Then we'll have a confirmation. Okay. At this point, here's what we do. We take this back to 9. Okay. So what do? We pull back. We keep going. We keep going. The market kept going. After it broke out, it came down, didn't give us a structure, and then it started giving us a structure going down. It kept giving us a structure going down all the way. What the market did, give us a structure going down all the way, and then it gave us a structure this way. From the adjustments I got, this is a structure we got. We now got a structure here. This structure came before this structure formation happened. The market came and got to our Fibonacci levels at this point. So your third entry point, when we had a breakout at this level by this candle, it was a confirmation. So what happened? The market activated my entries at this point, and then I placed another entry. So I had 3 entries at that point. And what happened? The market took me all the way to profit here. If you keep going, you see what happened. You keep going, the market kept playing around till finally got to that point. How long did it take it? How many weeks did it take the market to get to that point? The market activated me here in this first week. Second week it played around. Third week it played around. Fourth week it took me in profit at the end of 4th week. Okay, and I got over 6,000 points in 3 positions, all 0.1, all 0.1. And if you look at my support, I got less than 1,200 as stop loss. So that is how I made over 6,000 points on this trade. And there's something you must know. Anytime a market hits my take profit 161.8, I expect a reversal. So you can see the market knocked our first option, which is this, and then we have other options here. We have 1 and another one here. That's 161.8, 161.8. But if you notice, it's out of this whole region because we're working with these zones. You can see we have these box zones where the market climbed up all to this point and then dropped. So the target profit we're going to respect is the one that falls within this area. But you can see this 161 is out of this zone. This 161 is out of this zone. This is only 161 that falls within the zone, and that's why we respected it. There are chances that the market, because the market will always honor 161.8, the market is likely to come back here, like I said, come back to this point, and then over time, over months, it is likely to rise up to this level, and then subsequently this level, forming new highs, depending on the news and some other factors in the market. So for now, that is how I got my 6,000 plus points. Fantastic, you know. So I hope this video helps you guys and you learn from it too.